Walter Wood is no rookie when it comes to the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning technology program at Johnson College.
So I was the first graduating class to come through back in 2011.
But now returning to campus 7 years later, he happily takes his place as the new HVAC program director.
The program, because of the HVAC industry rapidly advancing, there's tons of new information in here that I'm very excited to be able to show the upcoming students.
After graduation, Walter worked as a service technician. He says he enjoys sharing his field experience and knowledge with the students as they fine-tune their skills on classroom projects. Freshmen in this program begin working on basic units that are main components for air conditioning, and work their way up to bigger projects like walk-in coolers as seniors.
It is not based off of books, it is based off of actual troubleshooting in front of you.
From learning the basics to the hands-on experience in the program, the students are qualified for a variety of career choices.
It's such a wide base, anything from basic installation to some troubleshooting, anything from residential all the way up to commercial and industrial.
And as companies come to the Johnson College program to see potential job candidates, Walter believes one thing will stick with them after graduation.
I think it's really based on the reputation and the area in which the employers know what you're really getting with a student that comes from Johnson College.
For FOX56 Tech Talk, I'm Sydney Warwick.
Tech Talk is brought to you by Johnson College. You can visit Johnson College campus anytime to meet instructors and explore their industry-driven lab spaces. The #10 trade school in the nation, right here in Scranton. Johnson College.